Hey everyone, welcome to On the Menu. Today we are making a cranberry and white chocolate dump cake. This flavor combination came to me the other day and I thought it'd be perfect dump cake for the holidays. So to start, we are using 2 cups of whole cranberry sauce. And then to that I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest. Next, I'm going to take about a 1/2 cup of vanilla chips and just kind of sprinkle them over my cranberry sauce. If you want to add a little bit less, that's fine. I personally thought this was a good balance. And then I'm taking a yellow box cake mix, and I would not use the full bag because of my pie plate, but it depends on, the dish that you're using. You don't want it to be too thick because you want to make sure that all of the crust is cooked. And then to finish it off, I am taking 1 stick of butter that I have sliced up and evenly placing it around my pie plate. This way it'll ensure that when the butter melts, all of the crust will have butter on top and it will be fully cooked. And bake in your oven for about 35 minutes on 350 degrees. Before indulging, be sure to let your dump cake cool for about 15 minutes and then enjoy. I promise you all, this is a very delicious flavor. The combination, it's like a really big cranberry white chocolate chip cookie. If you want to impress your family over the holidays, you guys make this dump cake. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of the support. Hopefully we can get to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks so much, you guys. Until next time.